Oh no, this. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh no.
tonight's performance is a story that takes place long, long ago.
I don't even fucking remember anybody's voice.
Our heroine, Princess Cornelia, is torn from her lover Marcus. She attempts to flee the castle only to be captured by her father, King Leo. When our story begins, Marcus, having heard of this, crosses swords with the king. And now, your royal majesty, Queen Braun, your highness, Princess Garnet, noble ladies and lords, and our rooftop viewers, Tantalus proudly presents I Want to Be Your Canary.
Bereft father, Marcus, thou hast. Oh, come on.
Fortune Hamilton! Lorenzo!
For the sake of our friends, let us bury the steel. Bro, like, how are you supposed to read that fast? We shall back thee, kinsman. Oh, it was him.
Pray.
Brian too!
What ho, thou bastard, and stand in my way will be crushed.
Treacherous Leo, for I shall instruct thee. See, it's bullshit. You know what's funny? How good this quote battle theme is for a battle theme that you only hear once. Holy. So silly. Yo, quit using the damn stage magic, yo. Ain't nobody needs it, baby. Nobody wants it. Nobody cares for it. Baku.
Grrr. Thou hast not seen the last of me, Marcus.
Come back. Out of the way, Blank. Consider this, Zazan. If Prince Snyder were to marry Princess Cornelia, peace would reign over their kingdoms. 'Tis foolishness. If it were so easy, why, none would suffer in this world. Aha! Yeah. Aha! Aha! Alright, let's get Queen Braun to give a fuck, yo. On guard! Expect no quarter from me. Yeah, I fucking know. We shall finish this later. Come back here. That's the only time I'm What? Watch, Queen Braun was not impressed. Oh. Bruh. That's literally the first time I've ever done that. Like, that good. Are you kidding me, bro? No. Yes! Alright,